Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start here, verify Windows is activated, and your system time, date, and region match the Microsoft account. License checks depend on that. Next, sign out of the Microsoft Store and sign back in using the same account you use for purchases. This refreshes tokens. Once done, open Settings and run Windows Update, then restart. These steps resolve many token and sync problems because they refresh credentials and ensure store services can validate your ownership and app licenses. Now you move into deeper repairs. First, run WS Reset, exe to clear the store cache, then reset the app from settings to re-register its package. If that fails, open an elevated PowerShell and run getapps package *Windows store *resetapps package to reinitialize the store registration. Also run sfc/scano and dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair corrupt system files that break license validation. Make sure you restart between steps and re-sign into the store after. For finalization, uninstall and then reinstall the problematic app from your Microsoft Store library so a fresh license check occurs. If the problem seems account-specific, create a new local Windows user, link it to your Microsoft account, and test. This isolates profile corruption. If you still get 0x803f8001, run the built-in Windows Store troubleshooter and gather apps logs. These logs help pinpoint licensing or package errors. One tip: try installing on a clean test account before escalating to support to show reproducible failure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.